What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am aggravated. I am over my natural hair. I want to perm it, but my husband feels that that might be a little drastic because my mood changes with the wind. So he feels that if I perm it today, tomorrow I'm gonna cry about it. So today what I'm going to do is cut it and style it, and maybe that'll help me feel different, because right now I just wanna, it's either perm it or like chop it all off, one of the two, because I've been natural now for, I don't even remember. I've been natural for a while, and I just feel like my hair should be doing better than what it's doing. Now, some of it is my fault. I will say, I haven't taken like the most excellent care of my hair, but I've taken pretty decent care of my hair, and I still deal with the same thing. Like it'll only it will only grow to a certain length, and then split ends and breakage and all that other stuff, and moisturizing and deep conditioning and all this other stuff. And I feel like when my hair was shorter, I was able to manage it better. Like I could just wake up in the morning and wet it and put a little product in it, and it curl up and we out the door. Now at this length right here, you really gotta like do something to it or you just gonna look crazy. So I'm like, look, this stuff ain't growing. It ain't doing what I wanted to do. It just, And I try different stuff like to help me feel better. Like I color, and that might be part of why I split in two. I know I colored the ends, but at this point, like my ends are just, it's whatever. Look, I'm about done. Like I really am about done with this whole natural hair journey. Just finna slap a perm in that thing and go on about my business. That's really what I feel like doing. Want to be done with it. What I'm gonna do today, hopefully it will make me feel better. I am going to cut all of these dead ends off and split ends off. Yeah, I'm like considering tapered cut or just like a blunt bob. I don't know. But okay, so look, let me tell y'all right now, do not come for me, okay? Don't come for me. I have looked all over the house. I do not know where my shears are, and I am aggravated with my hair at this point, so I'm going to cut my hair with these. I know these are not the proper scissors, so please do not come for me in the comment section telling me, oh, those are not shears, you shouldn't be cutting your hair with those are just gonna cause more split ends. I know that, but I don't care at this point. I'm aggravated, okay? I'm aggravated. So I'm going to cut my hair with these. And if you want to watch, you can watch. If it's too unbearable for you, then don't watch. Now, normally y'all, Antonio helped me with the back of my head to make sure I'm straight, you know what I'm saying? But he's not here right now, so we're just gonna go for it. We're just gonna go for it. We're not afraid, it's just hair. right, so I have cut it, and now I'm gonna go through and style it. And to style it right now, what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna blow it out a little bit more, and then I'm gonna flat iron it and see. We're gonna see what we got. We're gonna see how it come out. And then of course, once I flat iron it, I'll be able to make the cut a little more, you know, precise. I'm just gonna start flat ironing my hair in the back. I am using Cream of Nature's Heat Defense Smooth and Shine Polish, Smooth and Shine Polish. So I will be using this as a heat protectant, and you only need a little bit. Actually gonna use all of that on this whole back section. So right now I have, I'm using my ceramic red. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Yo, this focus is tripping. But I got it all the way up to 450 degrees. Okay, y'all, so I'm pretty much done, and I am happy with it. However, the back, of course, is not precise because I cannot do that myself. I am going to go through and try to do as much as I can, and then wait till Antonio gets here. Let me see if I can show y'all the back real quick. Hold on. Jabari, come here. It's Jabari. Stop. Hold this. Just stay right here. So that's my junk over there. Stay right here and hold it. So see, so I want it completely even all the way around, and of course I cannot get to the back like I want. So yeah, I'm gonna try a little bit, but for the most part I'm happy with it. I think I am gonna go through a little bit and cut some of the weight out at the bottom, like basically just open it up and kind of thin it out in the middle so it's not so heavy down here. But other than that, yeah, see this side a lot needs to be cut. Hey, stop moving. But this side a lot needs to be cut. So yeah, yes. So I'm happy with it, but I got a little bit more to do.